In this video, I will be demonstrating a quick and easy wire wrap for donut stones. I will be using one piece of 0.8mm soft copper wire. This piece is 14 cm long. Using round nose or bail making pliers, create a loop in the middle of the wire. Bend the wires parallel to each other. I am weaving with 0.3mm wire. Start with the weaving wire coming up between the two base wires. Wrap the weaving wire around the top wire and bring up between the two wires. Bring the weaving wire over the bottom wire, all the way around the back, all the way around the front, back around to the back and up between the two base wires. Repeat the pattern. Around the top wire, over the bottom wire, around the back, around the front, to the back and between the two wires. Feed the woven wires through the hole in the donut, keeping the loop at the top. Thread the wire ends through the loop. Use your fingers to straighten the unwoven wires. Continue weaving until you have approximately 2 cm for the bail. I am using a small screwdriver to help me shape the bail. I am bending the wires over the screwdriver and bringing the unwoven wires to the front, crossing them over. I am slightly shortening the two remaining wires. I am going to coil these wires. Start by using round nose pliers to start creating a loop at the end. Trim off the very ends of the wires. Continue to form the loop. Switch to flat nose pliers to finish the coils. Thank you for watching. Please join me for my next video.